Hi everyone, today we're going to look at Canva, the app that we use to design. If you are looking to design either on the app or canva.com, it's the app for you. You can look at your profile and you can register and you can look at your designs. So if you want to make a copy of your design, you just click on the copy on the three dots and you can copy. And you can use that to design another post that you want to make. And it looks like this. If you want to edit, you edit. And then you can go to the first tab, the templates tab. They have over 60,000 templates available that you can use. CVs, business plans, lesson plans. There's a lot that you can use. So sometimes you might think, where am I going to get content to send and post every day? So they also have templates that are already there that you can edit and tweak and make it your own. So it's quite nice. You can also use your own photos, and you can have a look at the other apps that are available. So it's not just Canva. There's other apps that are available that you can also use. We just like Canva because it's easy and you don't need to be a design guru to use it. So if you're thinking, where am I going to get content from? It is always a good idea to use Google timeline. You know, Google on your phone, they have information that they share that you can view every now and again, meaning like it could give you a lot of content that could help you with the design of your posts that you need to share with your people or your followers. So that's an option. There's also the timeline that I was chatting to you about, this one. So you can go on Google and scroll down, and when you like and you share posts that you see on your timeline, they will share information similar to what you are sharing with other social media platforms. So I had a client that I was helping do posts for, who was a winemaker, and I was sharing wine and I was downloading wine, and all of a sudden on the timeline they started sharing with me wine. So if you're in a certain niche, it helps because it will give you your niche and you can share with your followers. So it's quite cool. Use Google Timeline to get information and to get ideas of creating posts. So you would just click on those lines, the three lines, and then you can share. Like, for example, there's this one, which is in my niche, the one that says how to add links. You just click on the three lines and you click on tweet, and then it goes to tweet, and then you just write something if you want, and add a hashtag if you want, and then you share. So that keeps people aware of you, and potential customers are getting information from you, and then they will like your stuff as well. When you start selling to them, they will listen to you and they will buy. The other one that's available is Pinterest, my favorite. So currently I'm helping a customer who is an interior designer, and we're going to be doing a post for her to show you how easy this Canva tool is. So Pinterest is quite cool, very informative, and could be used for any niche. So you just scroll down until you find something that you like, and you give credit where credit is due, and you read the post. When you click on the link, you get to view information on that link. You can screen grab it and make it your own. And if you want more information, you click on the magnifying glass, you search for ideas. So there's content galore. What creators then do is we share each other's credit. So if you found something that was relevant to you and you wanted to share with your followers and your customer, give credit to the person that shared a post and you used. So for example, this one that says 7 tips. So you can screen grab it and make a nice post whether it's for Instagram or Facebook, instead of just selling the whole time. So Pinterest is quite cool. We're going to use it. This post that we're going to create now is from Pinterest. So for the first time, you're going to go to your pictures, and I just want to show you how it looks like. The one that I've already done, it looks like this. And this was created on Canva, on a blank one, and the pictures were added on Canva, and it was did not take me that long. But it's nice, and it gives your followers something to share with you instead of you just selling to them the whole time. So let's go and have a look and see how we can create one. You must just screen grab and then make the pictures pretty and then paste them on a blank Canva and then put your logo on. And this is the other one that I also didn't know. You know, when you're doing these posts, you're also learning. I did not know that wall lights saves space. So it was something quite cool. So let's go to Canva and let's create the post. You're going to click on the plus sign and it will open the choices. So there's various options available for the social media platforms. We're going to use Instagram post because that's where we're going to post this one. So Instagram, the size is also good for Facebook. And then you're going to go and you're going to click on the picture because you want to add a picture. So you can click on image and search free images that are available on Canva library. So I'm going to search for home, and I'm going to look for a nice picture for home. So the one with a crown are premium, so you need to be on pro plan, but the ones without you can use. So you just click on it and you drag. That's all you do. You click and you drag and you make it big and it fills the page and it looks stunning. And you go plus sign again, and now you're going to look for a illustration. Then you're going to click on illustration and you're going to click on shape because you're looking for a shape to put it on the corner there so that we can add content or text on the gray, which we could change color. I'll show you just now how the color changes. It also looks quite cool. So you can click on the box again if you want a duplicate, and you click on those two boxes and you make a duplicate of it. Then you resize it, and I want another one because I want to add the name of our business at the corner there. So I'll tweak it in such a way that it fits. Then you just click, you drag, and you size it, and you click, you drag, you size it. Now I want to add text. So I'm going to add the website for my client so that it displays and it's on our customer's head when they see it, even though we're not selling. So we're not selling, but we are also sharing our brand with them. So I would like to make it bold. Let's put it down. There you go. You click on bold, you drag it, and then you put it at the corner there. So that's all you do. You just size it in such a way that it makes sense and it looks pretty and it looks professional because you want to share with your customer. So the round is to make it straight. The 4+ sign is to move it. So you can resize it and make it a bit small and drag it to the corner there. Let's just drag this a little bit so that it fits. And we will drag it to the corner. Nicely done. And that's all. And then now I would like to add text on my picture. So I want to tell customers that they can save space by these 5 tricks. So I'm going to type something to let them know and put it at the corner there. So you could run a tip information teaching kind of a tutorial with your customers instead of selling this whole time. So you can do that. You can network. You can entertain. So it's up to you how you would like to socialize with your customers instead of just selling. People don't like when you just sell to them. So let's put that at the corner and make it a little bit smaller. That's awesome. Now let's add our text to say who we are and what is this on the corner there so that it makes sense. Let's quickly change the text over there to let them know this is us, from love, from our home to your home. You can pick up whatever you like, something catchy, and you keep this consistent so that they know at least once a week they'll get a nice tutorial from you to teaching them something new at the house, for the house, for you are the subject matter expert, so you teach them, because not everybody is an expert on everything, so it's quite cool. And we size it. I think maybe we can change color. Yeah, I like that color. Let's change it on the name, the website as well. Cool, that looks cool. And that's done. Page 1, easily done. Finish. Now I would like to add the extra pages. You just swipe to the left and then it gives you an extra page. Or you just click on the 2 at the bottom of the page so that you're able to add more pages. So that's how you add more pages. Most Instagram can take up to 10 pages. And then on the next page, we just go to pictures again and we add a picture, because this is the one that we've grabbed from Pinterest and we sized it outside Canva, but you can crop inside Canva as well if you like. You're not limited to that. And then you add the next one and you size it. Nice. And then you add the next one. You see, this is how you crop. If you wanted to crop, you just click on the crop button. You can crop it any way you like. And it looks quite cool. And you give credit. You'll add text on the post to give credit to the lady that we got the information from Pinterest. So now we can add the logo and size it nicely for our post. As easy as that. The post is done, finished in 12 minutes. Well, maybe let's say 15. And then you can download by clicking on the download sign. They give you a motivation as well. Do one thing every day that scares you. I've been using these motivations on my posts as well. So inspiration is everywhere. Just look and don't say you don't know what to post, because inspiration is everywhere. And it downloads quick. It's finished. You go to your home page and it has downloaded and you're good to go. And it's saved over there. Then we're happy with our post. We are going to show you how the end product looks like. It looks like that. Awesome, cool, clean. And we're going to Instagram and we post. As easy as that. So that's quite cool. It's quite nice. And the last thing I want to show you on Canva is the templates that are there. They are also very user-friendly. You pick the ones that are free, you click on edit, and then you just open it up. You click on the picture and it highlights the picture and you just replace it with your own picture. And let's go look for one now. I like that one with the hearts, and it replaces, as easy as that. You size it and you add text of your brand as well as whatever you want to inspire people about that day. So creating content is really, really not that hard, especially with all these tools that are available for us to create content. So I'm just adding one of these ones that we saw just now. Now, design is everywhere, and I will size it and make it bold and move it to the bottom of the page, and my content is done. As easy as that. That's how quick it is to create one. So once you are done, it downloads and it goes to your gallery, and then you can post it from there. I prefer posting it from gallery because then it doesn't attach the Canva link, but you can do that as well. And that's the end of the lesson.